What's up, guys? Mike Valle here with affiliate marketing madeeasy.com, and I'm filming this video right here. Look at the time, guys, 2:39 a.m. because I am excited. I am blown away by Builderall's opportunity. So on this video, I will be dropping the business standpoint of Builderall Business. In Builderall Business, it's a little different from the regular Builderall. Regular Builderall, regular Builderall is intended for social media marketers, e-commerce, Amazon, business people, any kind of person, uh, electrician, lawyer, doctor, restaurant manager, anything, because it's a website builder, email marketing, all that stuff. But when you actually want to make money with it, comes down to Builderall Business. This is more towards affiliate marketers like myself who want to have a product that is valuable, that people are going to use, love, and trust, and you can make money from it, like just like that. This is freaking amazing. Not only is it a product that you can love, trust, utilize yourself, and fully maximize with it, but it will pay you to have others sign up on there. It will pay you through different tier levels. Like you can go from tier 1 and get 60% commission recurring. A lot of affiliate programs will pay you one time. Builderall will consistently pay you every month. And the best part about Builderall is you get your payouts within a week. Within a week, you can request your money and transfer it. It's very easy, very, very doable. Opposed to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, I'm actually affiliated to ClickFunnels as well, and ClickFunnels takes like a month to pay you. So, I mean, these guys are on top of it. They're an up and coming brand that has not been exposed in the US as much as it should be. But you got to jump on it now, guys, because Builderall is going to blow up. And when they do, and there's so much more people in it, it's going to be harder for you to get in it and actually make money from it. Right now is the chance to dive in. So start your trial right now. With the Builderall Business, it is so much better than the basic Builderall. That's why I wanted you guys to watch this video before jumping straight into it. Is you can start your free business now, and you can get a 30-day free trial. 30 days of you actually messing with the system, falling in love with it, and then recommending it to other people. So there's zero risk. You can try it out on your own and check it out, dissect it, figure out how it works. But I'll walk you guys through something. So right here they have a very catchy phrase, how you can make $46,925 plus recurring income with zero investment. That is right, zero investment. So they do have a video, you can watch that. I won't bore you guys and play it. And they do have some results here. So here's Alex Friedman, who was one of the guys who started blowing it up from the start. Paid $46,000, guys. It's huge. So Builderall Business, proven top selling product, yes. Everlasting solid niche, yes. Ready to go sales funnels, yes. Stable monthly recurring income, definitely. Best client retention rate from what I've heard. Sales and income speed leverage systems, full support, training, webinar. That's gold right there. Why? When you join Builderall, not only do you get my support and my help, but you also get the Builderall team. And just to let you guys know, I've joined the Builderall ambassador team. So I am now an ambassador, and that will be a separate video dropping tomorrow where I go over the ambassador program and the opportunity, because it is limited. That program is about to close on the 14th, so I need to drop that video ASAP so you guys don't miss out on it. But they do drop webinars weekly, giving you training, giving you tips on how to promote the platform and how to make money from it. Like, there's not a lot of platforms and programs that actually give you assistance in how to promote it. They just give you a affiliate link and that's it. They leave you to it, let you figure it out. But these guys are actually, they're trying to grow their own brand, of course. So they're gonna give you as much value as they can. They're very supportive. You can message them. You can, they're pretty much on top of things. Um, Very satisfied customers. So again, they have another opt-in right there. I will have the link, of course, in the description. These are some other of the guys that are actually making good money. This guy Todd in 5 days made 5 grand. Like, this guy killed it, crushed it so quick. Joe Barnes 26,000 in 30 days. Jennifer 2,500 in 30 days. Alex Freeman 46 grand in 30 days. You know that guy had a huge email list. That's for sure. And the more, more results. Look at all this case studies and all this great stuff. It's the perfect business in a box. Um, Again, more results. As you can see, all these guys' results. Mike Caldwell, 22,000. That's the guy who actually you put the comparable ClickFunnels to Builderall video. Chad, I've worked hand in hand with this guy. He's amazing. I'm actually under history. 26,000. Look at that. And that's when he started off. Now he's I think he doubled that already. It's crazy. Already to go sales funnels. Funnels for your business, guys. If you're an entrepreneur like myself, affiliate marketer, or anything else like entrepreneur, you know you have value to give out, and landing pages are in it, and they're easy to use, very good looking pages. Like, no need for ClickFunnels anymore, guys. No need for spending $95 with a shitty affiliate program. Like, these guys, the Builderall Business is only $50, half that price, and you get more than what ClickFunnels gives you. Like, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. But look at all this. All these are templates that they have. They're just amazing. High demand, a perfect product, everlasting niche, recurring income. Yeah, look at this. This is awesome. How you make your money. Builderall Business Pro, you sell that account, you get the paid in full $49. You get the smaller account, you get paid in full $29. And yeah, I mean, no risk. Look at this, free to sign up. Oh, you earn 50 commission on each sale, plus 30 recurring. There you go. That's what it is. But yeah, guys, I mean, go ahead, jump in there. Let's go ahead. If we log in, it'll take us to Builderall, right? But I'm gonna walk you guys through the calculator. Did you guys hear that? I wonder if you guys heard it. If you did, that was my dog snoring. I mean, it is 2:46 a.m. He's gone. He's pretty gone. I don't know if you guys can see him. I don't want to mess up the camera, but I hope that was a good image capture. Hopefully I didn't mess up the video. How many licenses can you sell in 1 year? Let's just say you sell one license a day. 365. Make it your year goal. Just one license a day. Just, that shouldn't be too hard. You go out there, message a person, build a good network, and so on. Just by getting one person immediately, in that full year, you would have made almost $11,000 with a monthly income recurring of 3 grand. 3 grand a month just by getting one person that whole year. That's fucking dope. That's just getting a normal license. That's the $29.99 one, not even the business one. Let's just say half of these people end up getting the business one. We'll put 50%. Look at that. Your 3,000 just turned into 4,300, and your almost 11 turned into 14. Now let's just say how many licenses each second tier commercial sells in 1 year. Let's say each of these guys only sold like 2. That should be easy. I mean, we can't predict how much people are gonna sell, but you might have someone who's gonna sell 5, someone who's gonna sell 10s. You might have a few people who are gonna make 0. So I mean, it's all in all possible. So let's just say 2. Let's do a small number. But look at that income level. Oh my god. 7,600 monthly. Now let's make this even more interesting. How many second tier licenses convert? So from each of those persons that were brought in, only two have been brought in from someone you brought. Only two. That's a small number, two. And let's say that those guys um, sold the business one. So one out of those two people, so they sold one regular and one business. We'll put 50% again, and voila, you're almost at 10 grand. I'm sure if they sold four, you already hit 4 grand. Let's do three. Look at that. $10,916. Of course, these results are not for everyone. It depends how much work you put in and how good you build your team. So my goal here is to build a fucking amazing team where I'm gonna give you guys 100% value, help. I'm gonna build a course explaining Builderall, everything about it, hand in hand. I'm gonna dissect this platform. Any questions that you guys have, like this is gonna be my prime focus right here. This is my prime product. I'm an affiliate marketer, but Builderall will be the platform I'm gonna work the most on because I see it and I don't want to lose this opportunity on this amazing platform. I mean, check it. Where else are you gonna make $14,000 up front and then recurring 10 grand into your bank account? Cha-ching! 10 grand a month. 10 grand a month without working a 9 to 5 job. Because my 9 to 5 job would pay me 3,000 a month. So that's already more than double. That's triple, quadruple my income right there. That is freaking amazing. Just think you keep bringing people into Builderall. Like, this platform is valuable. That's what makes it even better. It's easy to sell. It sells itself. I mean, all you're doing is spreading the word out there and telling people about it. Because I wish I would have known about Builderall way long ago, before I got into Wix, before they ripped me off for like 200 and something dollars. Um, Before I got into GoDaddy and did hosting with GoDaddy, they got me for a good 300 as well. So I learned through trial and error, and so far this is the best platform I've been on. I've done ClickFunnels as well. 95 bucks. I didn't see the value. It's dope. I see ClickFunnels like an iPhone. They made it very simple and they high priced it. They priced it high because it's very simple to use, and people like simple. I understand, but with Builderall, it's still pretty simple in my opinion. And if you have trouble, then that's why I'm gonna make those videos teaching you how to use the platform and coexist and go hand in hand with all the items and stuff. But Builderall, with the builders and the websites and all that crap, you can pretty much move things around however you want. And some people have trouble with the mobile. There's a setting there where you click mobile and you can optimize your mobile. You can make it amazing if you actually put in work into it. Your Builderall website is gonna be fucking amazing. So, I mean, that's why I'm gonna help you guys out. I'm gonna make you guys make a nice website. I'm gonna whatever tips you guys need, let me know. I'm just started a Facebook group. That group will be strictly for the people who join under me. So once you join the Builderall Business, I will send you an invitation to the Facebook group, um, and I will try to limit it to 100 people so we can, work off of each other, where we can help one another. I could drop value for you guys. I want to keep the group small, so it's gonna be limited to the first 100 people. Um, I'll close the group up. We'll spend, maybe 3 months of training, helping one another, and then I'll reopen it up after 3 months. But the first 3 months, I will close it after we hit 100 members. So, guys, jump in, sign up, free trial, no risk. I mean, I do it. And then stay tuned for my next video where I actually go hand in hand and describe the ambassador program for you guys, because that's the real money maker. If you think 10,000 is good a month, I won't have the calculator for the ambassador program, but I'll give you that extra secret that's in the ambassador program where it's just gonna blow your guys' mind. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for my next one. And yeah, guys, show me some support. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. I mean, look, it's 2:53. I'm pretty stoked about this. And I might end up recording the next video right now and upload it the following day, though. But thanks, guys, for watching again. This was Mike Valle with Affiliate Marketing Made Easy.com.
Yeah. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day, yeah, yeah.